We're building an electromagnet. You'll need a battery, a wire, nail, and some paper clips. This iron nail can't move any paper clips, but we're about to change that. Take your wire and coil it around your nail. Now I'm going to attach it to my battery using electrical tape. Once it's all connected, bring your nail towards the paper clips. Oh, that's awesome. We built an electromagnet. The electricity is flowing through the copper wire and creates a magnetic field that causes the iron nail to become a temporary magnet. When I disconnect the battery, most of them fall off. That's because it loses its magnetism. What might happen if you try a different size battery or even a bigger nail? Try modifying your electromagnet, and until next time, keep learning full steam ahead.